I know. Okay, now it's time for the doll. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I see her face. Wow! It's so beautiful. Oh, I got the bottle. Oh no, it's falling. Oh, I'll help you, Mia. Oh, is it hot? Nope. Oh, now I can see it next. Okay, let me just open it for you so it's easy. You don't cut your fingers. And it's actually really hot. Whoa, I got, look, I got golden lid. Oh, you already opened one surprise? Yeah, I already did. So this one is cool. Oh, open it. Let me open it. I like your bottle. It's so cute. Except mine's different. I got mine. Let me see. Oh yeah, they are. What is it? The golden shoes. The golden. Yeah, they're so cute. Now it's time for you to open your next present. I think I can do this. Now that's how you do it. Wow, I love your book. Look at those little things on. Yeah, and I still have to unwrap. Oh, I want mine. Oh, I forgot the album. I forgot about. I think I'm getting a big goal or little goal. I think I'm gonna get the dresser. I think I'm gonna get the sword. I think I'm gonna start now. Oh, I took out the whole thing. How about you yeah, you ready for me to open this for you? Yeah! Okay. What could this be? I think this is my goal. Yeah, it is. Oh, there are little stickers for you, Mia. Oh, wow. And there's a big hanging thing. Your goal's amazing, but you have one more present, and it's this. Here. Wow. And then you got a pizza. Oh, pizza. Yeah. What is this? Yeah, I'm so beautiful. So now I'm gonna get her to hold my little sippy cup. Hey guys, I did not see this, and I got one more surprise. Oh, it's a cute little food. That's the cutest thing. So now I'm gonna put on its outfit. First, let's get its short on. Okay, so she loves bacon and she loves makeup. See? And look, her hot bracelet. I mean a necklace. You said bracelet. Oh, I got one more pack. What is it? It's some pants. I knew that would be pants. Oh, okay. Now I'm just gonna put on my doll's outfit. Oh, put the plastic below. Here, you can take this. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is put on her skirt. Oh, look how you guys, look how cute it is. Oh, bum is. Oh, we can open up. That's my gold bum is sticking out. Can you help me fit? Okay, let me just put on my baby skirt. It's not baby, it's a big girl. I know. But they're called l.o.l baby surprises. I mean, these are the big girls. I'm putting in my baby because I'm in the back. And the front half is same, so. Why are they throwing me these ones? Why are they throwing me puppies and babies? This is my l.o.l. And this is my l.o.l. Where's the papa like this? You have cute earrings. Now, can you help me put school in? Of course I will. Hey, you got it on. Okay, now this is my collection. Hey, you guys, guess what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna put on their shoes. One of them are polka dot, one of them are a broken hat. Can we see? Okay, which baby? So now I'm gonna put mine. Which baby Sissy is mine? Let me see. It's my baby Sissy. This one. Beanie. Oh, hey, Beanie, my tail. This one is a cheerleader, but that's not mine. Which one is? This one is a cheerleader because it has pom-poms in her hand. Yeah, and this is your baby, I think. No. This is your baby. Oh yeah, and when I took, and you guys, when I took her out of the plastic, she was split. She was split. There are different ways to do splits. 2 ways, like this, and then like this. Which one? This one? Like something like this, which I can't find. The one that has this, or this one? This one? Oh, these are supposed to be high for her. Look, who can stand on this? If you think that these are not supposed to be high, they're actually supposed to. Ta-da! They're like that. Come on. Wow, it's so easy to take off. Hi, my name is Amy. Would you like to be my friend? Okay, now I have a buddy. Where's Zene's brother? You got her ready for you. Okay, you guys. So I got her already. So I got her food. Also, I got her cute thing. And let's give her spin. Isn't that so cute? And her name is... I forgot her name, but that's okay. And she can do one of the... She can cry, she can do... She can spit, or she can color change. I hope mine color changes. No, but mine color changes. No, because it's surprise. We don't know if it does or not. But I wonder in one of these. Now we're gonna put them in water and see if they change color. This is ice water. This is hot. I don't want to touch it. So first I'm gonna use this to see if she color changes. I guess I should lift her. She does! Oh my, look at her! She color changes. She totally color changes. Is yours? No. First you have to take off the clothes. That's okay. Let me take off mine. And then... Wait. Let me put it back in the hat. Okay. Let me check if it does. I don't think it does. Maybe it spits. Maybe it spits, Mia. But mine totally color changes. And let's try clean the water. Okay, there, I can see the water in there, guys. Now I'm gonna put the water in. Since I have you drinking this, if she isn't, I'm gonna be so mad. Let me see, please. Yeah, now I'm gonna fill it with water. Okay, now I'm gonna feed her drink. She's starting to get back to you. She's really starting this video. Or else this will be a really sad day. Mia, you got it for your birthday. Oh my, I wanna see this. What's this, guys, you have? I think this is the Mia. You have to see this one. Pretty hair. So I twist out a lot. So it doesn't work. Hey, I can see the little bones. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see the stripes as well. And let's put it in hot water. And then it seems is let's carefully take her out. Put her in the cold water. And also her lipstick color, look. It totally, and then her eye. Okay, so guys, now I want to see the part of her yellow. So right now it's yellow, and now it is black. So cool. I love this day. This is the best day. Okay, yeah, you want cold water? Yeah? Okay. Dip your goal in. Dip your goal in. And let's see what happens. Wow! Her pants totally stains.
Wait, did it?
Yeah! Look at the purple on her pants.
Wait.
Yeah.
This is so.
Okay, now put it in half and see if it stains. So you know it has purple. Now it doesn't have purple. Look at that.
This is so.
Thank you for watching.